Namaste. A long journey of 23 years of our group, Theatre in Academy, began with the purpose of reviving the art of theatre among the youth of this small town Gandhidham through our plays, theatre workshops and creative productions.
In course of time, we have been marching away with many creative productions at local as well as national level. In short, I should say, Theatre in Academy is nothing but a place for learning through doing.
The coronavirus outbreak and subsequent nationwide lockdown brought the curtains down on all the live performances.
But for the first time, a great effort has been initiated by Kishore Kumar Fan Club, Indian Embassy Jakarta and India Club Jakarta by organizing Rangmanch, an Indian theatre festival.
A digital theatre, a new way to communicate with people. We express our heartfelt gratitude for organizing such a gala event and giving us an opportunity to perform.
भारत के नाट्य कलाकारों को प्रोत्साहन देने के उद्देश्य से पहली बार 3 दिवसीय ऑनलाइन इंडियन थिएटर फेस्टिवल का आयोजन हो रहा है। इस विकट परिस्थिति में इंडियन थिएटर से जुड़े कलाकारों का हौसला बढ़ाने के लिए आपसे आर्थिक सहयोग अपेक्षित है।
स्क्रीन पर दिखाए जा रहे नंबर पर व्हाट्सएप संदेश भेज के अपनी टिकट बुक कराएं और इस 3 दिवसीय नाट्य उत्सव का आनंद उठाएं।
Namaskar, this is Tejas Raut. I just wanted to say a few things about this group. We have been practicing theatre for last 10 to 12 years now. Before that, in like our intercollegiate theatre days, we were representing different colleges and our respective committees. Actually, we all knew each other from those times. Later, we felt like we should come together and form a single theatre group, and that is when the idea of a new production house came up called the Curtain Call Productions. We at Curtain Call Productions do perform various plays, but not only verbal plays. We also perform mime acts and are closely associated with physical theatre. We are really very eager for our play to be screened at the Rangmanch festival organized by you people. I wish that the festival ends up very well, and thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. Dhanyawad.
In the Zoom call meeting with the organizers group, I was touched and proud to see how much you care for one another to overcome the challenges that we are facing in this pandemic. I also like to extend my sincere congratulations to Ambassador Sir, the Embassy of India, Jakarta and the Team India Club Jakarta for supporting the deprived theatre groups like us. So we encourage you all to buy the passcodes of Rangamanch event and make donations as well to save the theatre community. To conclude, I would like you all to take preventive measures and pray for an end of this pandemic as soon as possible. May God keep you safe.
Namaskar, Adab Jakarta. Myself Sumit Acharya. I am from Bangalore theatre group called as Art Cross Theatre Main. We have been performing many devised mega productions as well as improvised theatre performances, playback theatre, forum theatre. In fact, we created our own theatre performance called as Arz Kiya Hai, which is a poetic theatre performance. We have been performing in India, outside India, such as Europe, UK, a lot of many places. And now it's time to perform online for the first time, and that too for you, being showcased in Jakarta.
Art Cross Theatre Main has a collective theatre experience of over 27 years in the areas of stage acting, theatre training and directing plays. Art Cross Theatre Main was started with the main idea of narrating stories using the artistic power of theatre.
Because of pandemic, many people are obligated to stay home when others are forced to suspend their occupations. This crisis is felt more severely in entertainment world. It is an exciting moment to do an online theatre performance as part of Theatre Festival in Jakarta, Rangmanch. Many thanks to Kishore Kumar Fan Club Jakarta as well as India Club Jakarta to organize such a fantastic event supported by Indian Embassy in Indonesia. Thank you very much.